Alrighty, so I just changed my bathing suit. I'm gonna go swimming down in the pool. We went swimming the other night, but we didn't bring the camera. Marikate's down there waiting for me right now. So, look at her down here. She's just chilling. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid the sun a little bit. The pool, I got sunburned pretty bad yesterday. The pool is in the shade for the most part by the building, so that helped a lot. But in order to get this cover on for the water, I have to take the lens caps off that I use, but they're sticky lens guards and it makes it kind of a pain, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna go back down there now and we're gonna go swimming, and maybe we'll get a couple pictures, snapshots, whatever from the video with this, and yeah, we'll have some fun.
Just forget the world underneath the stars. I am here with you now, flying here like this with you. All the worries gone forever in this moment.
Okay, we're off to get Dukes for Marikate's birthday lunch. So, just gonna put this here. But, had fun swimming earlier, but we're hungry, so get some food. And now we wait. Hopefully a short time because we had a reservation. So, well, we got our table and we have a view, which is nice. We're deciding on what we want now, and then I'll record again when we got our food. I lied. I said I'd record when we got our food. We got our drinks. So, got it here. There's our waiter. Marikate said it's poke. I haven't tried mine yet. Here we go. Camry eats first. Marikate's food. My food. My drink's gone. Got water. Let's go. Well, I'd say overall very good. What do you think? Very good? Very good. Would recommend. Make a reservation months at a time, maybe a month at a time.
If you don't have a gallbladder, be easy on the drink. I'm toasted after one.
My mixed drink was good. Food was good. Yeah, good view. Recommend. So both Marikate and I have never snorkeled before. We picked up a couple snorkels from the store. You can see Marikate and hers. Check it out. From the Lawson or whatever store it's called downstairs. It's basically an ABC store for $30, I think, each. They're not the cheapest ones that they had. They had like $10 ones. But I figured this splash guard may be helpful. And time to take off the lens guards again with this.
You gotta do a sunburn update.
Yeah, sunburn update. Marikate's pretty red. I am too. But we're in Hawaii and we got more sunscreen, so here's an update on the day. Let's look outside. I think we're going to aim to go back towards where we were earlier down there. We've been watching some turtles down here all day, so I don't know. We'll venture where we venture. So, time to take the lens guards off again.